Question 1. In the diagram, 4 circles are drawn to fit into a rectangle. Take pi equals to 22 out of 7. If the radius of each circle is 7 cm, so radius would be this. So this is 7 cm. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So we know that the length of the rectangle would be here. So this is the length. And the breadth of the rectangle would be this. Okay, so let's solve A. We realize that the length of a rectangle, the breadth of the rectangle is actually equals to 1 diameter of each circle. So breadth of rectangle would be diameter of circle. So this would be, we know that the radius is 7 cm, so diameter will always be radius times 2. So 7 cm times 2, and this gives us 14 cm. Now let's find the length of a rectangle. So we realize that the length of the rectangle is actually equals to 1 diameter times 4 because there's 4 circles over here. So we want to find the diameter of 4 circles. And we already found the diameter of 1 circle from the breadth. So all we have to do is take 4 times 14 cm, and this gives us 56 cm. So now we know length is 56 cm and breadth is 14 cm. Now on to part B. Part B wants to find the area of the shaded region. So we realize we can actually find this by taking the area of the rectangle minus the area of 4 circles. So you'll only be left with the shaded region. So let's find area of rectangle first. So we already know the breadth of the rectangle and the length of the rectangle. So area is breadth times length. So let's take 14 cm times 56 cm. And this gives us 784 cm squared. So now we need to find the area of 4 circles. So area of 4 circles. And we know that the formula of area of circle is pi r squared. So now we want 4 circles. So we take 4 first times pi r squared. So pi is 22 out of 7. And our radius is 7 cm. So we square this. And this gives us 616 cm squared. So now we can find the area of the shaded region, which is area of rectangle minus area of 4 circles, which is equals to 784 cm squared minus 616 cm squared. And this gives us 168 cm squared. So that is your answer for part B. Now on to part C. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. So we realize that the perimeter of the shaded region is actually the perimeter of the rectangle plus the perimeter of 4 circles. So how do we find this? First, let's find the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter would be the length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So just go around the rectangle. So this would be 56 cm plus 14 cm plus 56 cm plus 14 cm. And this gives us 140 cm. Now let's find the perimeter of 4 circles. So perimeter of a circle is the same as saying the circumference. So circumference of 4 circles would be, so we know that the formula of circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So now we want 4 circles. So let's take 4 times 2 times pi, which is 22 out of 7, times r, which is 7 cm, and this gives us 176 cm. So now we can find the perimeter of shaded region. Which is perimeter of rectangle plus circumference of 4 circles. And this gives us 140 cm plus 176 cm, which gives us 316 cm. So this is your final answer.